Yara's daughter, Zudi, will have the support of the sisterhood for life. But there's one thing Zudi doesn't have. Yara will soon have her own baby to fuss over. And Zudi doesn't want to be left out. This baby belongs to her aunt. Zudi grooms a nearby cousin. But it's the baby she wants. Not exactly subtle. Or successful. Yara's seen it all. Her daughter wants her own baby. But while Zudi's dad is the resident male, that can't happen. Unless the rival bachelor is back. He could be a mate for Zudi, but Yara must do what she can to protect her unborn baby. She stands by Nagash. The bachelor is younger and stronger. Zudi is captivated until she remembers herself and loyalty wins out. Mother and daughter back up Nagash. In his corner, Nagash comes out on top. He tries to reassure his mate. But Yara knows from experience that bachelors don't give up so easily.